Hello everyone, this video introduces you to both Inktober and Huevember and some challenges that you may face. Inktober is an ink drawing challenge that was created by the artist Jake Parker on Instagram. You're going to have to do some this year, and you can see my examples on the side. Every year there is a prompt list. There is a word for each day of the month. It's going to be later on in this video. And now I'm going to go into my sketches from last year. So it was my third attempt. If you don't start sketching ahead of time, it's really difficult to get all 31 drawings done. Last year I did all 31, but as you can tell, they're all different shapes and sizes. They're also different colors, which I wasn't a huge fan of at the end. So I definitely want to change that this year and just stick to black and white. These are just messed up pages. So that's something to keep in mind. If you want to post on Instagram, you may want to make sure that your drawings are all the same scale, and that you may want to actually stick to that like black and white and gray look that's really cool from Inktober. You don't have to do that. You don't have to follow the prompts. You don't have to do all 31 days. But if you do, you'll get so much out of it, and it can look really, really cool both in your feed or just in your sketchbook. So this year what I want to do differently is I actually want to draw all of my sketches for both Inktober and Huevember ahead of time. So that's 60 pencil drawings. And then on the days of, there are no prompts for Huevember, but for Inktober, I'll go through my drawings and kind of add on to the drawings I already have to make them answer to the prompts, and then save the other 30 drawings for Huevember. Again, you don't have to do it this way, and obviously they're not all completely exactly the same size, but I'm trying to create only square compositions, but you're free to do whatever you please. These are just examples, so I'm just sharing what I've done so that you can learn from my mistakes and also from the things that I've learned along the way. Now let's look at the prompt list for this year. Drumroll please. Ta-da! So now you may be asking yourself, how do you tackle a prompt? Well, first look up the definition if you don't know what it means. Also look up synonyms or where it may come up in the Urban Dictionary. Then what you want to do is look up images that are related to that word, or images based on an idea that you've already had. Then you're going to save your reference pictures and you're going to start sketching in pencil, and then you'll be ready to ink on the day of. For my class, you will not be responsible for doing all 31 days. You're going to want to check Google Classroom to see what you're required to do. But if you want to do all 31 days, I'm more than happy to check them and give you feedback as we go ahead and do that. For Huevember, you're also not going to have to do the whole month, but you will have to do portions of it. And so I'm going to give you a little sneak peek here, but you'll get a full video for that as well. Basically, it's one drawing a day, one color a day, and you gradually go from one shade to another. To me, the value of these challenges is to limit the amount of materials you use to really hone in on your skills and the development of them. It's also supposed to be fun and supposed to show you how consistent you really can be and how quickly you can learn something. So I hope that this motivates you to tackle all 61 days, 31 for October and 30 for Huevember. But either way, I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Good luck.